let's learn Get Wild. It is choreographed by Maddison, Glover, and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, phrased intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. The phrasing for the dance is A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B with a half turn and a pose to end the dance. I'm going to turn on and break down the dance part by part, section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice each part all the way through with steps and counts, and then we're going to go around and do the full phrasing of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Get Wild. We're going to start with part A. Part A is 32 counts. Weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to hitch our right knee up, cross our right over our left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 3 o'clock, and a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 6. We're now going to point our left toe to the left side, and as we do that, we're going to bend our right knee, putting ourselves into a lunge. You're now going to straighten your right knee and drag your left toe into your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a ball cross. We're going to quickly step our left foot next to our right, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to cross our right behind our left and start a sweep with our left foot from front to back. We're then going to finish our sweep around and then cross our left behind our right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, dragging our left foot to the left side. So you're going to do that big step to the left. And as we do that step to the left, you're going to drag your right heel into your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have dragged our left toe into our right. You're doing that ball cross. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to quickly step our right next to our left, cross your left over your right, and then step your right foot to the right side. You're at 12 o'clock. We're going to do an 1/8 of a turning sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make the 1/8 of a turn as you step your left foot back, but slightly behind your right. Step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot into the 10-30 diagonal. We're now going to rock our right foot forward into the diagonal, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a big step back with our right, and you're going to drag your left heel back. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just dragged our heel in. You're doing your ball cross. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of A. We're going to quickly step our left next to our right, cross our right over our left, and then step your left foot to the left side. This is going to square you back up to the 12 o'clock wall. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, doing a sailor step. So we're going to make that 1/8 of a turn, stepping back with our right foot, but slightly behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side, and then step your right foot forward into the diagonal. We're now going to rock, recover, and we're going to do a full and an 1/8. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot into the 130 diagonal, recover onto your right. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping slightly forward with our left foot. You're now going to step your right foot slightly forward but next to your left, and then you're going to make a 5/8 turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward foot to face 12 o'clock. You have 3 steps to go from 1:30 back to 12 o'clock. You're doing a full and an 1/8 triple in place. So when you do that rock, recover, left, right, left. And you want to make sure whatever space you travel in that triple, you make it back to the 12 o'clock wall with your weight on your left foot. So let's try that counts. We would have just dragged our left heel back. We're going to do that ball cross side. Weight will step onto your left foot. So you're going and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When you do that triple, you want to make sure you're keeping it small in your space. So now let's turn around. Let's do A all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your walk. Walk, walk, hitch, cross, quarter, quarter, lunge, drag in, ball cross, side back sweep, behind, quarter, quarter, drag, ball cross, side 8 sailor, step, rock, recover, back, drag, ball cross, side 8 sailor, step, rock, recover, full landed 8th. And you're back at 12 o'clock, ready to do B. So now, A is always going to be danced to the 12 o'clock wall. So whenever you're starting A, as long as you're facing 12 o'clock, then you're at the right spot. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is all of A. So now, B is also 32 counts. B is what changes our walls. So the first time we do B in each rotation, it's going to bring us from 12 to 6. The second time we do B, it's going to bring you from 6 back to 12 for you to do A all over again. Weight's going to start on your left foot for B. Section 1, we're going to scuff our right heel forward. You're now going to step forward slightly with your right, and you're going to tap your left toe behind your right. You're now going to step back with your left, and you're going to do a low kick forward with your right. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to do a low kick forward with your left. You're going to cross your left over your right and tap your right toe behind your left. You're now going to step back with your right and do a low kick forward with your left. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, and then we're going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross, side, cross. Let's try it with some counts. When you're doing the first 4 counts of section 1, you want it to slightly travel to the right. Weight's on that left, you're scuffing your right heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping out, out. We're going to quickly step out with our left, making that 1/8 of a turn. So now you're facing 10:30, you're going to step out with your right. When you do this, you want to do slightly bent knees so you can emphasize that out, out. It will hit music when you step heavy with that right foot. We're now going to step back with our left, and we're going to do a right coaster step, step right back, left together, right forward. You're still facing the 10:30 diagonal. We're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping slightly forward with your right to face 6. And you're going to do a quarter shuffle over your left shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left. Step your right next to your left, step your left foot forward. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle. You're doing that out, out. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a side tap. So we're going to take the ball of our right foot. You're going to slightly tap it to the right side. Now we're going to step even farther out with our right foot, doing a heavy step with the right into a rock. We're going to recover onto our left foot, and we're going to weave right behind left side, right cross. We're now going to quickly step our left foot to the left side and bring your right foot into your left, taking weight onto that right foot. When you do this, you can slightly push your hips back. We're now going to cross our left over our right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our left shuffle forward. You're doing your tap, stomp, rock, right? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We're now at 6 o'clock. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock, recover forward with our right foot, recover onto your left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left to return to 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a right coaster step. Step right back, left together, right forward. And then you're going to do a run forward, left, right, left. So nice quick steps forward. What I like to do is kind of do a boogie walk. So I like to bend my knees and go run, 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 and kind of let my hips go into it. Again, that choice is yours. It's a styling preference. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just stepped forward on our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to do your rock half, half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is all of B. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to scuff that right heel. Scuff, step, tap, step, kick, step, tap, step, kick, step. Crossing shove, full 8, out, out. Back, coaster, step, 8, walk, quarter, shove, full forward. Tap, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, and together. Cross, quarter, half, rock, recover, half, half, coaster, step, run, run, run. And that is B. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're scuffing your right heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance. So now we're going to dance 32 counts of A to the front, 32 counts of B to the front, 32 counts of B to the back, and then we're going to repeat that. We're going to end up dancing the full dance just so you can keep practicing that rotation. But before we go all the way around, let's talk about the ending. The dance is going to end on 1B, which means we will be facing the back wall after doing our run forward, left, right, left. We want to end facing the front, and the song has an extra count to turn around. So you stepped forward with your left, you're going to make that half turn over your right shoulder to face 12 o'clock, and then you're going to pose however you would like, up, down, hips, smile, whatever you would like to do to end the dance. So now, the first rotation of A and 2Bs, we're going to do steps. The second rotation of A and 2B, we're going to do counts. Then we're going to end with an A and a B and do our ending. Weight starting on your left foot. We're starting with our A, which is walk forward. Walk, walk, hitch, cross, quarter, quarter point, lunge, drag in, ball cross, side behind sweep, behind, quarter, quarter drag. Ball cross, side 8 sailor step, rock, recover, back drag. Ball cross, side 8 sailor step, rock, recover, full and an 8. Now you're doing B. Scuff, step, tap, step, kick, tap, step, kick, step, crossing shuffle, 8, out, out. Back, coaster, step, 8, walk, quarter, shuffle, forward, tap, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, and together. Cross, quarter, half, rock, recover, half, half, coaster, step, run, left, right, left, scuff, scuff, step, tap, step, kick, tap, step, kick, step, crossing shuffle, 8, out, out. Back, coaster, step, 8, walk, quarter, shuffle, forward. Tap, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, and together. Cross, quarter, half, rock, recover, half, half, coaster, step, run, 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 A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. At this point, we are going to do 1A, 1B, and then our ending, and this will be the end of the dance. So we're doing our walks, walk, walk, hitch, cross, quarter, quarter, lunge, ball cross, side behind sweep, behind, quarter, quarter, drag, ball cross, side 8 sailor step, rock, recover, back, drag, ball cross, side 8 sailor step, rock, recover, full and an 8th B, scuff step, tap step, tap step, kick step, crossing shuffle, 8 out, out, back, coaster step, 8th walk, quarter shuffle, 4, tap, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, and together, cross, quarter, half, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, run, 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 weights on your left foot, you're doing that half turn and pose, huh. And that is the end of the dance. When you're doing that last B, when you do it, you're gonna hear the song go, huh. That is gonna be when you are turning and doing your pose to face the front, and that is the whole dance. Now, this dance has a lot of opportunities to add some extra styling. I like to rise up on the ball of my left foot when I do my hitch in part A. I like to add a boogie walk into my runs in part B, and you can add whatever you would like into it to make the dance yours and make it as fun as you would like it. I hope this helps you learn Get Wild. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.